Hi friends, my name's Nataliah and welcome to House of Nataliah. Today I want to play with makeup, with new makeup that I've hauled. So we're going to get into it. I'm actually going to mix these two new foundations to me. I mean, semi-new, I've already done a review on them. So I know that this is a little bit darker. I'm going to take one pump of Stellar and one pump of the Jouer, actually like a smidgen of the Jouer foundation. So now I'm gonna mix that all up, put it on my face. I've already moisturized and put my eye cream on prior to this. Always, always, always skincare first. I didn't get or haul any new concealers, so I'm just gonna go in with my normal concealer routine. So I've applied my concealer, and kind of what I do with my concealer is let it dry down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Tom frickin' Ford and sculpt it right through my cheekbone. As I'm blending this out, because I usually work with Fenty Matchstick, as I'm blending this out, it blends out really, really nicely. Like, there aren't areas that kind of catch and then I'm like, ooh, gotta work that through. It's almost like a seamless kind of blend. And for the amount of money that I paid for it, it better be a seamless blend, girl, let me tell you. No, but gosh, that is a nice blend. Like a really great balance between a contour shade and a bronzer shade. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm gonna blend out my concealer. I'm just gonna grab kind of like a kabuki brush and press that into the skin. I'm gonna use my tiny Hourglass one. My kid's in the other room right now. Okay, so take a little bit onto the cap, but I'm gonna bake with this because it says it's okay with baking. All right, so I have my brows on. I did haul my soft ochre paint pot. And I've been using it like crazy because it's the only thing that doesn't make my eyelids itch. I have eczema. Alright, we are going to play with the Friendcation palette. I'm going to set a little bit of the brow bone area with Basic. And I love that this thing has a mirror. Like, I feel like every palette, no matter how big, how small, should always have a mirror. I'm going to take Necessary and start building the crease. This is like on the skin. As soon as you start blending it out, it's actually a lot deeper than what you would think it would be on the lid. Okay, and I think now I'm gonna put churro in the crease as well, but I'm not trying to cover the entire crease. I'm trying to be a little bit more detailed. Yeah, these colors are going on a lot deeper than what you would think. Okay, now I'm gonna go in. I think I'm gonna try to put all the colors on my lids. We're going to do Girl Bye on a smaller brush and really kind of like hug the outer part of the lid. I'm gonna work this shade a little bit inwards. And then I'm going to put the deepest shade, Cheens, right on the outer corner. So I feel like I've done almost all the mattes that I have because I want this palette all over my face. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush. Now with Dirty Money. This is literally blending out with minimal fallout. What? I'm going to try to do Game Over right next to it and see how that works out. Really am pressing, but I'm pressing lightly. I want it to meet Dirty Money and just blend really, really seamlessly. So, and then I'm going to take Just a Kiss on the inner corner of my eye because I want this entire palette on my face. I feel rich. I feel rich with this on. Dude, this palette is giving me life. Dose of Colors kicks it out of the ballpark, seriously. For eyeliner, this is a kohl pencil from Sephora. It is in a deep brown shade, so instead of a dark black liner, I'm going to use this along the lash line because I think I want more of a lashy look. I'm going to put it in my waterline and a little outside on the lash line. So now on the bottom line, I'm going to blend out Jouer. I'm going to put Necessary right underneath to further blend it out and blow it out on the bottom liner. So I just coated my lashes with Roller Lash. I'm going to get the bottom. I have hauled a lot of the Lilly lashes and I'm going to try it on for the very first time. I'm kind of scared because like my eye shape is small and these are pretty long. I've heard horror stories of like clients trying to take the glue off and it not coming off and ruining the band. So it's light, but I feel it there because the band is pretty thick on the Lilly lashes. Yeah, you get used to it. You get used to how like thick the band is. That's still pretty. All right, so I'm feeling sultry. These are growing on me. They are a little difficult to apply, not gonna lie, but that was my first time applying Lilly lashes. So I'm going to take my beloved Sephora powder, MicroSmooth, and wipe away the bake, finally. Now I'm gonna go in and contour, but really bronze up more than contour. So this is MAC Give Me Sun. I'm gonna work that lightly and connect kind of the Tom Ford contour and the face powder so that it's not such a harsh transition. The Hourglass one said that it was okay to bake with, and I do feel like it left a little bit of a white residue. I'm gonna take whatever was left over on my contour brush from the Tom Ford shade and just go down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna build highlight. So I set down my face and now I'm gonna set it up with the Mercier Candle Glow. And this is just supposed to be for a natural kind of glow to the skin. I'm so used to such a like big glow that this just looks healthy. Yeah, that's naturally radiant skin is what this is giving me. But I want more. So I am going to try to put all the highlighters that I hauled on my face right now. And I'm going to go in with Luminous Light now and just amplify that kind of highlight right there. But I want a little bit more of a glow, so we're going to go in with my Broken. If you didn't see that part of the haul, please go watch it. It's the best reaction to a Broken highlighter ever. I would super glue it back, but I'm going to try the original formula. And I've heard so much about this. Oh my God. And I'm literally just layering it right through there. Oh, these layer so well together because they all have that undertone of that champagne warmth, gold. Oh my God. I'm having a glowgasm. These combos are giving me life. Okay, so that was the Translucent Glow, Luminous Light, and Whisper of Guilt. You guys, stop the madness. Okay, my face needs a blush, and I did haul this a long time ago, I think. But I'm going to put it on my face. And it's Mood Exposure. It's one of the top selling blushes. I'm going to put a little bit of Warm Soul in it because it's kind of too cool tone. There you go. You guys, I am dying over this highlight combo. From NYX, I did not haul this one, but this is Nutmeg. And now I'm going to take Kinda Sexy. Oh no, I was a lot warmer what I wanted it to be, but now I'm kind of just blending the liner with the lipstick. I'm going to go in with MAC Peach Stock. Maybe it'll tone it down a little bit. Okay. This turned out pretty good. I'm not mad at it. Let me spray it down a little. I am so addicted to makeup. This is why I opened up my channel, because I get such an experience, you know? I love this glow. Like, this is giving me so much inner radiant life. I can't take it. I can't wait to do this on my clients. It's such a good mix. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. You guys, come and check out some more videos. Make sure you hit the like button. Put a comment down below about what you're excited about or what got you excited as I was trying on some makeup. Maybe even what you're going to get. Put it down below in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.